Oh! Yo, what is up? This is Simply Supreme. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. And if you do like this video, make sure you like it. So today we are going to be doing a review on the Yeezy Yecheil. This is a 350 V2 Boost. I have 2 pairs of these. If you haven't already, make sure to go check out my other videos on the process of buying these, and I'm eventually going to be doing the process of selling them, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So let's get straight into this review. So we have the classic Yeezy stitching right here on both pairs and on the backs. Now my favorite part about these are these laces. How they have the 3M, the reflective stuff, the reflective threading all through them. I really like that. It makes the shoes look so much better than if they just had regular black laces. What makes this shoe special is all of the different colors that Kanye put in this shoe. It's like every single Yeezy smashed into one. Like, this is by far one of the best Yeezy 350 V2s that has come out this year. Baby blue mixed with the red. That's probably like my favorite part of this shoe. And if you see it from far away, it actually kind of looks purple. There's also some yellow, or it's like this neon green color that goes all through the back. Goes all the way to the back also. On this whole entire side right here, it's like it's kind of like a tan. It's like a tan color. Side, we have that same tan color. We just have a black strip in the place of a pull tab. I'm kind of bummed that they took away pull tabs, because I actually really like the pull tabs on my Zebras. It helps me put my shoe on, and I also have the Oreos right here, and it's sometimes difficult for me to put my shoe on. Like, it's not as efficient as having a pull tab, but you know, it's whatever. On the back, the strip right here, it's honestly like it's like a darker blue. Like, if you see it in the natural sunlight, it really looks like a blue. The strip right here, it is a transparent strip. It's almost like they weaved plastic. It feels like plastic or some type of fishing line. But I actually really like this. I kind of like it better than the OG. Overall, this shoe is great. It's by far one of my favorite Yeezys. I hope you guys like it too. That pretty much wraps up the review. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Make sure to go check out my other videos on reviewing my other Yeezys.